Hi, I'm Lisa Meilenberg, designer of Counted Quilts. Today I'm going to show you a few things that help me out in the assembly part of the instructions, and I hope they help you too. It's a twin size image with a lot of colorful pieces to get this fall leaf look, and definitely one that I would use this tip on. So I've actually already done row 1, so I'm going to cover that up, and then I'm going to use my paper to focus on the next row. Now, anytime you're doing a counted quilt, I like to work top to bottom and left to right. So you're just going to pick up the piece as you go, and so the first piece would be a J, but I can't piece that to the next one because they're small C's. So you take your main piece and then you go to your next one. And then you're going to pin those together. So that is an orange to a dark brown. And you're going to just continue on. Then we're back to that F piece. So we'll go C to D. You can pin that to the other side or wait till your next round through. Put the triangle on the F and just continue on, moving from left to right, pinning together each piece that you can. And when you get to the end of the row, I sew all of those pieces, especially with something this complicated, and then go back and you'll have this piece, so you can pin that to that. You can pin these two together, and you'll just continue on making the sections larger and larger until you have the whole row together. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this was helpful, if there's other tips you use to stay organized, or other things you'd like to see some tips for. We'd be happy to help.